Join me today as we review and build LEGO Botanicals set 40460 Roses. This is the Geek Cabal channel. If you've not been here before, my name is Bobbie, and today we're going to be checking out this LEGO Botanicals set, which is set 40460 Roses. It's a pair of roses. So I've already put them together, and although I'm going to have the actual construction some point here while I'm talking come over the screen. So I do want to note some things on the construction of these. From this point upwards, they are identical. So the actual flower heads are identical, and from this point down, they are identical. The only real difference is here in the stems. So, and there are 5 extra pieces, it looks like, which I should double check because I don't remember actually using one of those pieces. So I'm probably missing something in there. So the instructions do tell you at the beginning that you do double that. So make sure if you buy these and you make sure you follow that, because otherwise you're going to get all the way to page 13 having constructed the entire flower, and all of a sudden, oh, that's where there should be 2 of them. And now I see where I missed that piece. I'm going to put that in here in just a second. So then one of them has some thorns, and the other one is a straight stem. I will also note on the way the thorns are constructed, I think that the way in the instructions is not actually the most effective way to build them. And I went a different route. The spikes that are supposed to represent the thorns, I think it is easier to attach them to the round plate that has a hole in it. So there are in fact only 3 extra pieces. The round plate that has a hole in it, and then pass it through the stem and click it instead of putting the round piece in and trying to go with the thorn into it. I could not actually get it to work the way the instructions depicted. I had to go the opposite direction. But yeah, it didn't take me very long at all to build them. The high-speed version is about 30 seconds. So overall, though, I think they both look nice. Decent height to them. I'm going to be trying to put them into a non-LEGO, it is a construction set, but it's not made by LEGO, flower pot here in a moment. That had its own troubles. Going to be a separate video on it after this video comes out at some point, where I'm going to see if it's actually a decent holder or not. And yeah, but overall though, I like them. $15, it's a pair of roses, versus the bouquet, which is $60 if I recall correctly. I bought this at Walmart, but I will have a Amazon affiliate link down below if you're interested in purchasing them that way, or elsewhere. I mean, obviously they're, like I said, I bought them at Walmart. I'm sure they're still available on the LEGO website. And I think the set, despite the newer box, I think is actually an older set. Yeah, I think I see 2021, 2023, 2025. So I think they are an older set. This is a new box design, but I think it's an older set because it still had the plastic bags, whereas the last couple sets I've done had the paper bags. And I think there was even an insert in here talking about the new bags that are coming up. So, yeah. So overall, let's see, there are 21 pages in the instructions and a helpful picture in the back of, here, put them into an empty glass bottle. So yeah, I'm going to try to find a container for them, and they're going to someone else. On that note, this is going to go up the day after, so happy belated Mother's Day to any of you out there. But yeah, that's all I've got on this one. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like any of the botanical sets? Do you think the 2 individual roses, whole roses, are worth $15 while the bouquet is worth $60? So that's 4 times the price, but has more than 4 times the flowers in it. But it doesn't have, I don't think it's got stems for all of them or something. You know, I'm sure there's a difference to it. It's definitely not, let's see, it's 120 pieces. There'd be 4 of these, would be 480. I think it's more pieces than that. But anyway, like I said, let me know down in the comments. Do you have the bouquet? How does it compare to this? You know, do you have the red or do you have the pink if you have the bouquet? Because I know the roses come in the 2 colors. I don't think they have black roses, but they might. I don't think they do though. But anyway, that's all I've got. So like I said, let me know down in the comments what you think. Like, share, subscribe, all those fun things. Sharing, commenting help us grow the channel. We always appreciate it. And subscribers, that's the name of the game here on YouTube. I'd like to thank everyone who helped us get over 800 subscribers here not that long ago. We're kind of hovering around 825 as I'm recording this. So thank you to all of you who helped us with that. We literally couldn't do it without you folks. And if there's anything along the lines of what we're doing or talking about on here, but we're not quite to what you want us to get to, let me know in the comments or hit us up with a message somewhere. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, that's all I've got. So until next time, keep those bricks clicking.